Did you know the human body's collagen accounts for 25 to 30% of total protein, of which about 75% is skin collagen? Hi, I'm Laura Chacon-Garbado, Director of Auto Nutrition Product Training at Herbalife North America, and I'm here to remind you of all the wonderful benefits Herbalife Skin Collagen Beauty Booster has for your skin. This fabulous product is especially formulated with Verisol collagen, which has been tested to show support of skin elasticity and wrinkle reduction within 4 to 8 weeks. It contains antioxidants, vitamin A as beta-carotene, C and E, which help prevent harmful free radical cell damage that ages your skin, and this formula supports strong nails and healthy hair with selenium, zinc, and biotin. And I know that many of you had asked about a product that helps with cellulite. Well, I will let you in on a secret. Bioactive collagen peptides in this formula can also reduce the signs of cellulite. It's super simple to use. Mix with water or add to your favorite Formula One shake, tea, or aloe. Perfect for consumption once per day. So let the best of you shine through. For more great resources on how to introduce Herbalife Skin to your clients, visit myherbalife.com.